In front of me is ALCATEL one from 2022, and let me show you how to change screen timeout on this device. So at first, let's open the list of all apps, go to settings, now find and pick display, and click on sleep. So here you can personalize screen timeout. You can pick 15, 30 seconds, 1 to 5, 10 minutes, or even 30 minutes. Then you also got the option never, but let me go with 10 minutes. And that's it. As you can see, it has been already applied, and from now on the display would fall asleep after 10 minutes of inactivity. So this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.